Top of the morning to ya. This is Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to wish everybody a happy St. Patty's Day, and I also wanted to show you this beautiful Ferrari California T that just got towed into us. This is a really good client of ours. This is the first of 3 vehicles we're going to be doing for him. All of them are going to be getting Escort Redline Ci radar detectors. What that is, it's a custom installed unit. It allows us to mount the radar receiver behind the front bumper. We're going to mount laser diffusers in the front grille. We're also going to mount a radar receiver in the rear of the bumper with 2 laser diffusers as well. So the unit's really nice. Everything is stealth. We also mount a control unit, which we'll probably mount in the center console. We got to figure out the best spot for that. We'll have a display probably in the center console as well, along with the LED up in the cluster. So whenever anything goes on, whether you're getting hit with radar or laser, you'll be notified. It'll beep and it'll be really stealth. So it's going to keep this beautiful interior looking really clean. So give us a few days. I'll post a finished video and go over with you guys how the system works and how everything looks as well. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks.